Today we will learn an easy method to find a square. You can find out the square of a number in just few seconds. Let us find out the square of 283 in just seconds. It is 80089. We'll explore in detail how do you find out. Before proceeding further, you need to remember certain things. The square of up to 9 is 2 digits. The square of numbers from 10 to 31 is 3 digits. The square of numbers from 32 to 99 will have 4 digits. The square of numbers from 100 to 316 will have 5 digits. Similarly, the square of numbers from 317 to 999 will contain 6 digits. This you need to remember. If you remember this, everything else will become easy. Let us try to find out the square of an easy number 34. First, you have to find out how many digits it will contain. It will contain 4 digits because this number is beyond 31. Remember that table and then apply it. It will have 4 digits. Once you have the 4 digits, then you take 2 legs. One is from the 3, the other one from the 4. Then you square these numbers 9 and 16. And then you multiply these. 3 into 4 is 12. Again with 2, that is 24. Now you keep the 6. Then keep 1 and add it over here. That becomes 25. Keep 5 over here. Then take this 2. Add it over 9. That becomes 11. So your answer is 1156. Got it? So easy. Okay. Now we will go to 283. The square of the number 283 will contain 5 digits. It is between 100 and 316. So it will contain 5 digits. Now let us apply the same formula. I am taking 28 and 3. I am making these combinations. Now I will make as 9 and I have to make 28 square. So now 28 I can break it up. 2 and 8 becomes 4, then 64, then 8 into 2 into 2, 32. So my number become 28 square become 4, 8, 7. So my number has come 784. Now I will replace this 28 square with 784. So I have 784 here. I'll erase this. So my number has come 784. The other side 9. Then I will multiply 28 into 3. That is 84 into 2. 168. So I keep my 9. I keep my 8. Now I have to add 16 with 784. That becomes 800. So now my answer is 80089. Got it? Look at the answer. If you find any difficulty, ask the question in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. Wait for more such videos. Thank you.